In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell digital downloads in Wix. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Wix account. Use the account that is connected to the website where you want to sell your digital product. If you manage more than one site inside Wix, it is important to make sure you are working in the correct account and on the correct website before you begin. This helps you avoid uploading your product or changing settings on the wrong site. Once you are logged in, go to your Wix dashboard. The dashboard is the main control area for your website. This is where you manage your store, products, orders, site settings, and other important tools. If Wix opens directly into the editor or another section, look for the option that takes you back to the dashboard for your site. Take a moment to let the dashboard load fully, since the store options may take a few seconds to appear. Now look for the Store Products area. Under the Store Products tab, click Store Products. This is the section where Wix keeps all of the items that are available in your online store. If you already sell products, you may see a list of existing items here. If this is your first product, the page may look more empty, but the process is the same. This is where you will create the digital download that customers can purchase from your site. Next, click the button that says New Product. After that, choose Digital File as the product type. This selection is important because a digital file works differently from a physical product. Instead of asking for shipping details or inventory for a physical item, Wix will treat this product as a downloadable item. This is the right option for things like ebooks, templates, printable files, image packs, digital artwork, guides, or compressed zip folders. After selecting digital file, you will be prompted to upload the file that customers will receive after purchase. Click the upload option, then choose the file from your computer. This could be a PDF, a zip file, an image, or another supported digital format. Make sure you are uploading the final version of the file, because this is what buyers will access after completing their purchase. If your download includes multiple files, using a zip file can be helpful because it keeps everything together in one package. Once your file is uploaded, you can start filling in the product details. Enter a clear product name first. The name should tell customers exactly what the digital download is. Then add a product description. Use this space to explain what the customer will receive, what the file includes, and any helpful details that make the product easier to understand. Keep the description accurate and simple. Since customers cannot physically touch a digital product before buying it, the name and description help them feel confident about what they are purchasing. Next, set the product price. Enter the amount you want to charge for the digital download. Take a moment to review the price before moving on, because this is the amount customers will see on your live site. Make sure the value matches the product you are offering and that there are no typing errors. This is also a good time to quickly check that the product name, description, file, and price all match the item you intend to sell. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving the product stores it in your Wix store and keeps all of the information you just entered. It is a good habit to wait until the save process finishes before leaving the page or moving to another section. This helps make sure your uploaded file and product settings are properly recorded in your store. The final step is to publish your site. Publishing makes your changes live, which means the digital download can become available for customers to purchase from your website. If you do not publish after creating the product, the changes may remain saved in your dashboard, but not appear on the live version of your site. After publishing, your digital product is ready to be shown to visitors and sold through your Wix store. That covers everything you need to know.